Experiencing AirPlay problems with the Spectrum TV app on your iPhone? First, ensure both your iPhone running iOS 15 or later and your Apple TV 4th generation or later, or compatible smart TV like Samsung 2018 Plus with Tizen or LG 2018 Plus with WebOS are connected to the same stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi network with at least 10 Mbps upload speed. A weak or congested network is often the main cause. Then, verify that your Spectrum TV app is updated to the latest version, currently 24.3.1 as of September 2025. Restart both your iPhone and your TV. If the issue persists, toggle AirPlay off and on in your TV settings. Also, double-check your iPhone's screen time settings and disable any VPNs, as these can interfere with casting. Remember, intermittent failures are still reported, especially during peak hours, but these basic steps resolve most issues. If the quick fixes didn't work, let's dive into advanced solutions. Check for firmware updates on your smart TV, as manufacturer-specific bugs can cause AirPlay problems. Clear the Spectrum TV app's cache. Another helpful tip is to temporarily disable Bluetooth on your TV, as conflicting signals can sometimes disrupt AirPlay. If you're still facing problems, consider using Spectrum's built-in diagnostic tools or contacting their support. Looking ahead, Spectrum is working on AI-driven auto-fixes for AirPlay issues, expected by 2026. The industry is also moving towards standardized casting protocols like Matter, which should improve cross-platform compatibility. While AirPlay reliability has improved, staying updated with the latest app versions and troubleshooting techniques is crucial for a seamless viewing experience.